Open the main circuit breaker. Adjust the pressure of the to-fluid nozzle. Release the emergency stop button by turning it clockwise until it pops out. Press the reset button. Press the reset button and wait for the PLC to start up. This takes about 30 seconds. On the main screen, tap Login. Select User, enter your username and password. Go to Parameter Settings, then open the monitor page. Turn on the fan, electric heater, and nozzle. Wait until the inlet temperature reaches the set point. Then start the pump and the hammer. During operation, monitor the temperature and flow readings to ensure stable performance. The machine is now running normally. To shut down the machine, follow the reverse sequence. Turn off the pump, then the heater, fan, and nozzle. Finally, log out and switch off the main power.